Did you know you can turn these apples into crispy chips? To make this recipe, you need a mandolin and apples. That's it. Slice the apple very thinly, and halfway I flip the apple over and keep slicing. So here we go. These are your apple chips, so they should be like that. So now you're gonna use some absorbent kitchen paper, put it on the bench top like this, and we're gonna put our apple slices just like that to remove the extra water from the slice. An extra piece on top of it, just press gently like that. I'm gonna use some cinnamon, so just put some cinnamon into a sieve, just dust over the slice just a little bit, and then I just stack them over like that. Here you go. These are your apple slices ready to bake or air fry. This is what I'm gonna use to cook the apple chips. The air fryer is really the best because it takes barely 6-10 minutes to make apple chips very crunchy. You can of course make them in the oven because baked apple chips taste delicious as well. It just takes a little while, sometimes 2 hours to get crunchy. So for your air fryer, open the basket and put the apple slices just like this. It's totally fine if they slightly overlap, because they are actually gonna shrink a lot when they bake, and because you overlap the slices, they're not gonna fly away into the air fryer chamber. Start the air fryer, set up to 190, and for about 6-8 minutes. I like to check them halfway. I'm gonna show you why. It has been 4 minutes in the air fryer. Let's check. So as you can see, they have moved a lot. So I'm gonna rearrange the slice, and actually I'm going to flip all of them like that and keep going. I hope you guys love this new recipe. If you do, give it a like and follow us for more.